Just having fun. Out in the woods. Yeah, baby. We're thinking about going fishing. A little notice here. So you can have, do not eat largemouth bass. Limit other fish to 1 meal a month. If you're under 12, people are nursing, pregnant, all other people, you limit all fish to 2 meals a month. Woo! It is always good to be out in the woods. My old stomping ground. I miss it. I come here once in a while though.
I almost sure where you can see some people. Oh no, that beaver didn't do a very good job.
Yeah, that beaver tipped the tree the wrong way. That's a rookie beaver. They have training sites for those guys.
Someone's been trying over here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's actually a waterfall.
Just think of all the little animals that have been watching us as we're walking by.
Oh yeah.
Look at those weird creatures. Remember when I hit a unicorn statue out here from SA?
Yeah. Down over by that middle entrance.
No, it's right in here.
Oh, it's right in here.
Right in here. Yeah, we went down this way. Yeah. I hit 2 of them. One I hit on this side here, and we never found it. There's still one out here. Woo!